Hello, my name is Anupam Verma. I work at BIMTech as Dean Academics and Deputy Director. BIMTech is having one of its most important event this year on 2nd of October, which is our Foundation Day. 2nd of October, as you know, also happens to be Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. There is a relationship between BIMTech and Mahatma Gandhi in the sense that our founders were very closely associated with Mahatma Gandhi, and perhaps for this reason they decided to lay the foundation of BIMTech on this auspicious day. Our Foundation Day address this year will be given by Dr. Rishikesh T. Krishnan, the director of Indian Institute of Management, Bengaluru, and the topic is going to be very interesting, and that is innovation and Atmanirbhar Bharat. That is the topical subject these days, and I'm sure anybody is listening to him would enjoy his talk. Presently, he is Director IIM Bangalore, but earlier he was also the founder director of IIM Indore, and he is well known as the institution builder for IIM Indore. The Indore IIM enjoys its preeminent position these days amongst the fraternity of IIMs. That is because of Dr. Krishnan. Apart from this interesting lecture, we also felicitate our faculty members on this day. We will be giving several awards. These awards would be like Basant Birla Distinguished Scholar Award, the Best Teacher Award, the Best Researcher Award, and Dr. Jagdish Sheth Research Award. So these awards together comprise an amount of rupees 12.5 lakhs. There will be felicitations of our faculty members on this day. Every Foundation Day we felicitate faculty members and the staff members who complete 10 years, and same we will be doing this year as well. It will be a privilege to have all our students present, all our faculty members present. We have requested the parents of the students to please join in. The alumni fraternity, we have a large number of them. They are also requested to please join. And of course, the corporate friends, the recruiters, they are all very, very welcome to join. I request every one of them to please find time and join the function. It starts at 11 a.m. and will finish just within 1.5 hours time, that is at 12:30 p.m. So please do join. We look forward to meeting you all on that day online. Thank you very much.